Hi, Em.
Look at that.
What is that?
What's that?
Oh,
It's a new farm. It's a new playhouse.
it is?
It's a new playhouse. It's a new play.
Ooh. What do you see?
What's this? What is
Can
this?
Red Dog come in?
Oh, nope.
Goodbye.
Oh
I'm in here.
Are you in here?
Yeah. I'm in this new toy house. What is this?
You push it to walk out?
Do you like your new house? Mm-hmm.
Look at that big rake.
I see it. That's Daddy.
Guess what, Emma? You can ring the doorbell. You press that yellow button?
Okay.
Oh, that sounds like Red Dog barking.
How you do?
Do you love it?
Can I get in this new? Can you, Daddy? Can you get in here?
Barely. I can though.
Okay.
You want me to come in?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm coming in, Emma. Oh, will you let me in?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out.
Okay.
Watch out, is right.
Alright, how am I going? I'm coming in.
Oh my gosh.
I'm in here.
Come.
Where's Mommy? Look at Mommy.
Hi.
Look at all my things.
Okay, we're all in here, Mom.
In the new playhouse.
And a new playhouse.
You want to cook something?
Yeah.
Well, let's put a pan on the stove. Turn the stove on. Alright.
Hey.
Okay. Busy.
Put a top. And a stand up pole.
This is an early Christmas present from Mommy.
And the bell ring.
Want to do the bell yet?
A doggy. A doggy.
A doggy.
And it's a doggy.
You like it, Em?
Daddy, get out of here.
Oh, that's what I want to tape is Daddy getting out.
This is the hard part.
I know, getting in's okay. Oops. Oh, I'm putting this on Facebook.
Oh.
See ya.
See ya.